How to apply for Klarna as a business. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide and explain you on how you can apply for Klarna as a business. Now, as of the latest update, as you know, Klarna is a popular payment solution that allows business to offer their customers the option to buy now and pay later. However, the application process and requirements get changed according to time and reason. So here is what you can do to try and start up a business or apply for Klarna as a business. Now what you want to do is first research Klarna's services. Now visit the official website. You can head into klarna.com and familiarize yourself with the services they offer. Now the second is to check eligibility. Ensure that your business meets Klarna's eligibility criteria. These criteria may include factors such as your business size, location, and industry. The third step for you is to create an account. You can always head into klarna.com and sign up for a Klarna merchant account on their website. However, what you'll have to do is you'll have to provide all the necessary information about your business, such as your company name, contact details, website, and the products or services you offer. And then comes the integration. Now Klarna often requires business to integrate their payment solutions into the website or e-commerce platform. Now this integration process may involve technical steps, so you might need assistance from your website developers or IT team as well. And once that happens, what you'll need to do is you'll have to undergo verification, and after verification you can review the terms and conditions. You'll want to thoroughly review their terms and conditions, including fees, charges, and other contractual obligations, and then test your transactions, and then you can launch Klarna on your website. So this way you can start up or apply for Klarna as a business. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.